Here we have a 2019 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 18-inch alloy wheels which are in excellent condition. Here's a look at that first one. Coming around to the front, we've got the bull bar on front just there. We've then got the blacked out Forge badging. We've got our LED light bar on top, which is currently on. We've then got our second alloy wheel just here. Some badging now, it says 3.26 auto. We've got the roof rails on top. We've got the wind deflectors on the windows, color-coded door handles. We've got the side steps at the bottom just there as well. And there's a look at that third alloy wheel. Now as we come around to the back, you'll see we've got some plastic trim around the lights, which looks fantastic. We've then got our tow bar just there. We do also have front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera with this vehicle. And as you'll notice, this back storage area is covered from the elements as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And there's a look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior, we've got the half leather seats, as you can see just here, with the orange fabric and orange stitching, which looks lovely. We've then got a fold down armrest just here with 2 good sized cup holders. We've then got ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got 12-volt connectivity in the middle as well. On the doors here, we've got the brushed metal handle. We've got the leather trim with the orange stitching, electric window control, additional storage, and the integrated speakers there as well. Coming on to the front, we've got that same half leather interior. We've then got the WILDTRAK badging on either side. Again, orange stitching, which looks fantastic. On the doors here, we've got lock and unlock button, integrated speakers both here and here. We've then got our electric window control, child lock for the rear. Coming inside, we've got our electric window control just here, and as you can see, they are also power folding. We've then got our automatic lights on the right. Coming onto the steering wheel, this is multifunctional, so we've got different controls whilst we're on the go, like speed limiter and cruise control. We've then got different things on either side as well, like volume controls and stereo controls. In the middle here, we've got our infotainment screen. I'll just turn the ignition on for us there so we can have a look at this. On here, we'll just wait for that to load up. There we go. So it will be just because we've got the door open at the moment, but on here we've got audio. So on here we've got things like DAB radio, FM radio, CD or Bluetooth audio. We've then got our climate controls just here, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We can also control our temperature manually down below as well. We've got heated seats for both front passengers, which work exactly how you would expect them to. We've then got our phone connectivity, so we can pair a phone to listen to music or to make calls. Navigation, as we saw briefly before. Mobile apps, and then if we just scroll through the settings, you'll see we've got things like Apple CarPlay and ambient lighting just there as well. Really nice features on this vehicle. Put the vehicle in, step inside, put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see we do have our reversing camera and a visual display of both front and rear sensors just there as well. Obviously this is just a protective cover for when we sell the vehicle to yourself. You can remove that and it'll be free from scratches there for you as well. Now moving down, we've got those dual climate zone controls as well as 12-volt connectivity, and you've got your heated seats just here as well. I'll start the car up so you can see that those work exactly as you'd expect. So there you go, close that door there. Now we've got USBs below for your Apple CarPlay. We've then got a button for parking sensors, traction control, hill descent control, and here is your switch for the LED light bar on the roof. We've then got 2 high, 4 high or 4 low for when you're driving. If you're wanting to go off-road, it's great to have the choice of those 3 variants. We've then got our gear stick, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and we can also take manual control of the gears by flicking across, going down or up a gear like so. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching.